Hi friends, welcome to HR Tech. Today we are going to see a very basic financial function. My friend asked me if I invest 1 lakh today and I'll get 1.5 lakhs after 3 years. So what is the rate of return? So this is very basic question, but we can do in different calculation. But in Excel it's very simple. Yeah, before calculating rate of interest, we'll calculate the future value. So what is future value? This is the example. Calculate maturity value of fixed deposit for 5 lakh for 3 years and at 7% of interest compounded quarterly. So usually banks will give the interest at quarterly basis. So here this is the formula. So we'll see one by one how to calculate. PV means present value. So what is the present value? It's a 5 lakhs. So I will give in the minus because you are depositing whatever your outgoing value you should mention as a minus. So minus 5 lakhs. That is your present value. What is the payment? PMT means how much you are, whether in between or before you are paying. Here nothing, zero. So what is the rate? So 7%. If I put 7% directly, it will calculate every annum 7%. But here 7% rate of interest compounded quarterly. So you need to just calculate 7% divided by, so per year 4 quarter. So 4. Then NPR. NPR is total 3 years. So 3 years you just quarterly we are calculating. So 3 into 4 per annum 4 quarter. So 3 into 4 12. So what is the future value? So what formula I given, I will just give the text into formula, you can see for your reference. So what is the future value? So simple, you will see rate. What is the rate? Here directly you can just select the rate 1.75, then NPER. So NPER is 12. Then what is the payment amount? So amount here we are not any amount we are not paying extra, or in between we are not withdrawing. So it's a 0. You select the present value 5 lakhs. So just you enter the value, you will get the maturity of 5 lakhs in 3 years at the rate of 7% interest. 6 lakh 15,719.66. So same way you can see the formula. This is a very basic formula to understand how to calculate our future value. Investment stocks, everything you can calculate, and you can see what is the prediction of the present value. So this is how we calculate the future value. Now we will see the present value if it is in the future. Example, if someone promised to you pay 1 lakhs 1 year from now, how much would you take today instead of waiting if the interest rate is 7% compound quarterly? You can directly enter 1 lakh. So what is the payment? Here also we are not giving any additional, or we are not getting extra. So rate is 7% compounded quarterly. So what is the 7% compound quarterly means? Same way, 7% divided by 4. NPR 1 into here only 1 year, so 4 quarter. So what is the present value? PV. If you type PV, automatically you will get the string what you need to select. So what is the rate? Here rate is 1.75. What is the NPR? NPR is 4. And what is the payment? PMT is 0. And FE, future value is 1 lakh. If you enter, if you convert your negative value into plus, just multiply by minus. So I'll just give the formula text for your reference. So now we'll come to the first question. How to calculate the rate of return? 1 lakh is the present value. So present value again, because we told no, whatever we are paying, it is a negative. So same way you can minus 1 lakh, then NPR. So 3 years. 3 years you can directly give 3, because here per annum we are calculating. We are not calculating the quarterly. We are calculating per annum how much rate of return. So future value is 1,50,000. So rate of interest, just type rate, will get NPER. NPER is 3. Here payment, again nothing is there, so you can type 0. Future value, here present value you need to select first. Just select 1 lakh, then future value 1.5 lakhs. If you select everything, you will get 14%. This get after 3 years 1.5 lakhs means 14% rate of interest. Many times you will go through these kind of rate of interest, present value, future value. Still I will take some session on financial functions in further session. If you really like this and learn something, means like this video and share to your friends so everyone will learn. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again.